Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enhance old photos using Remini. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to enhance your old photos using Remini, all you gotta do is simply go to Remini. Once you are in your Remini, you need to simply use the AI editor that is in the Remini app itself. So to enhance old photos with Remini, you need to download the application and upload a blurry faded photo of yours and use the single tap enhance feature to let its AI sharpen details. You can simply fix your face and bring the vibrancy back. You can also explore options to adjust color, face enhancement, with premium unlocking more features, making it ideal for reviving your old memories. So by doing this, you can simply use Remini to enhance your old photos. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.